Hi guys. Today we'll be reviewing a new item, or items should I say, I got today. Couple of French books. I'll show you in a minute. Very dark again today in Nottingham. DVDvision. An A and B variant. The books are exactly the same. They've just got a different cover on them, that's all. So let's have a look at these. These two books. Say this is the B variant. It's just got a different sleeve on it, that's all. This is the main one. You get these three nice bookmarks, a poster. Of course, the hardback book. Excellent. Ain't got a clue where it says, but plenty of good Bruce images in it anyway. I believe Stripey Rambles is in this as well. Very nice quality book, I've got to admit it. Glossy. It's a pity it ain't got English in it as well. It would have been perfect. Yeah. I have to put the phone on Google Translate. A long job though that is, you start doing all that. Excellent. Our mate's here again. Kwai Chang Kane. Even in modern books he gets in on the act with Bruce. The ballet dancer, Jesus. Yeah, it's a very, very nice book, I've got to admit it. Bit of Chuck and Bruce. Excellent. Yes, I'm very impressed with the quality of the book. I've got to admit it. The pages. The French like Bruce. Looks like I've got a bit of Bruce exploitation here. dragon lives again. Excellent. Yeah, it's a Bruceploitation thing they bought out. Not really my cup of tea, that in, but I've got a few of them. Hong Kong Fooey, here he is, #1 super guy. The janitor, I remember that. Lazenby. Man from Hong Kong. The Warrior series. Brandon. Bit of John Wick. Here we go, Stripey Rambles. That's the first place I've seen this book actually on his channel, because he got sent a copy, didn't he? Excellent. Some items here I've got. Very cool. Great book. Yes, excellent that is. As I say, this is just the other variant. The book's exactly the same. It's got just got a different cover, but I thought I might as well have both of them as it was a deal for two, so but excellent. I hope you enjoyed that short review of DVDvision, a French Bruce Lee book with Stripey Rambles in. Have a great day, Bruce fans. And remember, join me shortly for some more exciting episodes. And remember, Bruce will never die. Ta-ra!